Hey guys, quick video. If you're looking if you can actually use this S Pen on your Samsung Galaxy A8, no you can. This is only, the S Pen is only for the S series, for the notes, not for the Samsung Galaxy A8. So when searching for the best Android, you may notice that many of the high-end Samsung tablets come with the S Pen support. The A8 isn't like that. So just be aware of it. Just want to make this quick video for you if you're planning, let's say, buy it. But if you already have the Samsung Galaxy A8, what you can do is actually look on AliExpress. Look for somewhere where you can have and buy it here, right? You just want to research Reddit and things like that, like universal stylus pen that you could use. Look at this for Galaxy Tab A8, pretty cheap even.